All right. So I'm going to call you boss. Hello, boss.
Finally, I'm the boss.
Boss, welcome. And from now on, I think I'm going to just stick to calling you that. Is that okay with you? Is it okay calling you boss from now on?
Yeah, boss Sunny.
Boss is always right. All right. Boss, I wanted to know, why did you choose to pick a cricket team? I mean, cricket team khareedna, to choose a cricket team, why? Why was that?
Well, I've always played sports through my whole childhood, and I've always heard about cricket from my parents, from my father, and then once I came here, obviously, this is like a religion. So I've adapted this religion and fallen in love with cricket. That's why.
So basically, you've been a fan of cricket. I mean, if you've chosen, lovely. So, from a superstar to a superstar team owner, what is your vision for the team and what is the key focus as the team owner?
I think the vision is first and foremost that all the players have a great season. They have fun, they play hard, they cry hard, laugh hard, and just really just give it their all. Winning is not always easy. It's not something that comes naturally. We all have to work hard. So I believe our coach, Mr. Mohit, is going to be getting everybody in shape and getting them geared up to win, hopefully.
Excellent. Team Chennai Swaggers, are you ready backstage? Well, so I've apparently heard that you are also going to launch a new star today.
I am. Do you guys want to know who it is?
Do you guys want to know who the new star is?
No, they don't. They didn't answer.
आप लोगों को जानना है who the new star in Sunny's team is. Team, at the back, your new star is coming. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the new star of the Chennai Swaggers. Please welcome the official mascot, Swagger! Swagger. Swagger, say hi. Swagger, pout, please. Pout. Come. Swagger, come here.
Hi.
Stay. Yeah. Stay. Don't move. Freeze. All right, Sunny, so we've heard that you've taken special interest and keen interest in naming every person.
You can move now.
Unfreeze, Swagger! Unfreeze! All right. So we've heard you've taken a lot of interest in basically naming every team player with a particular trait and you've given them nicknames. Is that true? You've done that for every player and you've really worked towards thinking who will be named what. Pretty interesting, I say, and I think this is going to be very, very interesting. Like Sachin Tendulkar is called the Master Blaster. Rahul Dravid is called the Wall. So without any further ado, should we present your team to the press?
Yes, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting right now the Chennai Swaggers. Number 1, led by their captain, Himanshu Malhotra, better known as Mr. Nice Guy. Himanshu, ladies and gentlemen. Himanshu, let's have you on stage. All right, number 2, we've got Ritvik Dhanjani. He is called Limited Edition. They don't make too many like him. We've got our next player, Vishal Singh, the trendsetter. Vishal, can we please have a big cheer for Vishal? Next on our playing squad, we've got Rafi Malik, the silent killer. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. अगले जो आ रहे हैं, इनकी ट्रेट बड़ी निराली है, बड़ी अनोखी है. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mayank, the bully. Next on the line, we've got Vabiz, Miss Know-It-All. Give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We've got next on our list, Manasi, Miss Shakti. Can we have Mansi, please? Next on the squad, we've got Kunal Pant, the go-getter. Kunal, can we have Kunal on stage, please? Next in the squad is Shobit the Wall. Come on, give him a big round of applause, please. Next on our team, we've got Ria, the distraction. Give her a big round of applause, please. Coming next on the playing side, we've got Sony, Chota Packet, Bada Dhamaka. Our next contender, Shraddha, the unexpected. So I've seen Shraddha practice and she's got some brilliant cricketing shots, so you should give it up for her for that. The next online, we've got Paras, the athletic. Paras! कहते हैं ना हर टीम में एक ही गुंडा होता है और एक ही आदमी है जो टीम को बदल देता है. The next person I'm going to call Abhishek, the game changer. हर टीम में एक बंदा तो होना चाहिए जो विशेष टिप्पणी अपनी करता ही रहेगा और ऐसे लाइंस मारेगा कि आपको मतलब उड़ा के रख देगा यहां से. He's going to smash you out of this place. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Sharad, Mr. Punchliner. Next we've got somebody, कहते हैं ना मीठी एकदम प्यार से मस्के से निकालना. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Amreen, Miss Meethi Churi. हर टीम में एक ऐसा बंदा होना चाहिए जिसमें बहुत ताकत हो, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी हो. So let's call upon Shrestha, the Energizer. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, the final inclusion in the team. One second. Vishal, can you just help me with this? Put your hands together for RJ Glenn. Yeah! Sunny, I'm going to start crying. I want to thank my mom, my dad, and everybody else, and thank you guys. Sunny, you've given everybody a name.
Don't cry.
You've given everybody a nickname. What would you nickname me as?
I think your nickname is gonna be Chatterbox.
Mr. Chatterbox in the team! Well, I'd just like to say thank you all of y'all. There's lots more coming up. We'll just have a small photo op, so if you could all just squeeze in. And how can we forget our coach, Mohit sir? Give him a big round of applause, please. We also have our manager, Ajay. Give our coach and our manager a big round of applause, please. All right, now we're going to leave the question and answer, the Q&A session open. Kindly take the name of your paper or organization or your print or digital media and please ask your question. Thank you. एक एक करके सवाल पूछे प्लीज.
Before we move on to the question, I think we have to give a huge round of applause for our lucky charm, Ruchika there. Give it up for Ruchika, everybody! We love you, lady there. Yes, questions, please. She's right there. Ruchika, you're looking pretty. Oh.
सवाल कृपया पूछें. आपके सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए यहाँ पर हम सब उत्तेजित हैं.
Well, we have so much swag, you guys have no questions. Woohoo!
Sunny, hi. Hi. My question is for you. How does it feel to be? How does it feel as an owner of the cricket team? Like, did you always wanted to be an owner of a cricket team?
I've always been into sports, like I mentioned earlier, and being a part of a team is something that has been coming very naturally to me for a very long time. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud that I get to be a part of their team. And this is everyone's team. We all want to have a good time this year and hopefully do really well and kick some butt.
हेलो हाय इट्स निक्की फ्रॉम इंडिया टीवी. मैक्सिमम आप लोग शूट कर रहे होते हैं या कोई ना कोई इवेंट्स पे बिजी होते हैं. ऐसे में एक्चुअली क्रिकेट को कितना टाइम देने वाले, मतलब कितना सीरियस होके इस टीम को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे आप बीसीएल में?
Well, you're right. Actually, not only this particular team, but I think इस पूरी लीग में जितने भी है सारे के सारे actors हैं. So everybody is busy with their work, including our whole team. But when passion takes over, I don't think कि आपको time निकालने की जरूरत पड़ती. Time अपने आप निकल जाता है. So I think all of us love the game, and that's exactly why we all are together here. So no matter how difficult it is, but हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी तरह भले रात को 12 बजे खत्म होता है हमारा shoot, and we pack up and we just try and make some time for practices. Because we want to win, everybody. We want to win. So yeah, here we are.
बाकी टीम्स में भी जो खेल रहे हैं वो आपके ही फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं मैक्सिमम लोग.
जी.
तो कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है उनके साथ, मतलब उन्हें हराने की कोशिश
बिल्कुल भी
करना?
डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता है. घर में एक भाई और बहन होते हैं, घर में बहन को मारते नहीं, हम मजा आता है तो. बाकी सारे हमारे भाई बहन हैं, जितना मन किया उतना मारेंगे उन लोगों को मैचेस में. But yeah, I think it's all of it's more friendly, friendly environment when it comes to playing on the ground. But don't expect any what do you call liberation. We can't just be very eased out on the field. So I think भले सामने दोस्त हो, भले सामने co-actors हो, we have to play, so we have to play. We play to win. So as simple as that.
क्यों?
माफ नहीं करेंगे हमारा चैटर बॉक्स क्या.
Yes, Sonu Shukla from Zinc. I want to ask this. आप सबकी टीम का strength क्या है? मतलब कि आप सबकी टीम की ताकत क्या है?
I think the first word that comes to my mind is unity. Without a doubt. I think, yeah, unity is what we thrive on right now. And most of all, everybody, we have Sunny Leone. Come on. Come on. Like, do you want to beat that? Try it. You can't.
सनी मैम आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे.
I think it's team spirit. I think it's hard work. It's dedication. Playing a sport is not easy. Playing it in front of so many people, thousands of people for TV, for yourselves more than anything. I think it's all about being together, like you have just said, unity and also team spirit.
सनी मैम अभी आप एक क्रिकेट टीम की मतलब ओनर हो, तो इससे आपको क्या लगता है कि आप शाहरुख, प्रीति मैम वगैरह से मतलब उनसे क्लोज हो थोड़ा?
Can you repeat your question?
या अभी आप एक टीम की ओनर हो, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आप शाहरुख और प्रीति मैम से थोड़ा करीब?
I actually put his movies in my DVD player every day, so yes.
Thank you.
आप लोग कौन सी टीम को टफ कंपेटिटर मानते हैं इस बीसीएल में? दूसरी टीम?
ऑन ऑनेस्ट नोट आई थिंक ऐसी 2-3 टीम्स हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है. डजंट मीन कि हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टीम को टारगेट कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक I'd like to say try and beat Chennai. As simple as that. Try and beat Chennai.
Maybe.
All right, all our stars are available for a one-to-one interaction. So
बाकी लोग साइड में कर दो. सनी पोस्ट क्रिकेट खेलते हो बस. ओनली सनी ओनली अरे बॉस पीछे बैठे. हां बाजू में यू कैन हिट हिम. बच्चू कैमरा बच्चू खेलते हुए ये हमारा वन मोर टाइम फिर से एक मिनट उठ रहे सनी ए सचिन ए नको ए अरे ले जाएगा. पागल है क्या? पागल ले जाएगा यार. फोटो के टाइम पे डोंट नीड इट टू हार्ड. सॉफ्ट है. डोंट नीड इट टू हार्ड. दैट्स फाइन. स्लो डाल. That's cool. ट्रेन में आया पीछे गई आप. हेलमेट पण घालला का फोटो थैंक यू चलो 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 सनी सनी मेरे को नहीं रुको ये भाई आगे जा हाँ सनी give me a look here सनी ये बैग सनी क्या कर रहा है one more, Sunny, one more. Sunny, one more. Sunny. I wondered why didn't you buy a football team and buy a box cricket league team?
Well, like I mentioned earlier, I love sports and I love soccer. It's one of my favorite games, and I was playing in heels, so yay, I scored. But with cricket, it's something that I've grown to be very passionate about. Something that I enjoy watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing all the Chennai Swaggers this year kicking butt and hopefully winning some games.
As a mentor, when and how much time do you think you will get to motivate them and give them the pep talk that they probably require during matches?
Well, the plan is to be at as many matches as possible this year, and I love being around sports, and I've always enjoyed it. So, being a motivator, cheering them up, getting them off the ground, getting them hyped up, getting them excited, getting them angry to want to play and win is something that I enjoy doing, so I'm looking forward to that.
Do you like playing sport, like something like a cricket or a football? Is Sunny someone who enjoys playing a sport rather than watching it?
I've played sports ever since I was very little. I played soccer, I played football, I played street hockey, I was a figure skater, I was on a ping pong team, I played volleyball, basketball, so I used to play a lot of sports growing up. I still love outdoor activities, and I love sports. Each relationship is very different, and I know the relationship that I have. I married my best friend. He's not only the person that I'm married to, but he's somebody that I want to be around every single moment of the day. So each relationship is different, and we all have our issues. But if you are a normal, healthy couple, you try and work through those, and it's about compromise. To the husbands and wives, happy wife, happy life.
Yes, excitement इसीलिए is because Sunny Leone है यहाँ पे. That's all that it is. And I think excitement इसीलिए is because मुझे ये पता है कि ये वाला जो सीजन है उसमें चेन्नई की हमारी जो टीम है that's really strong, and BCL का सीजन 2 है, and I really hope and I really pray कि सारा का सारा चार्म जो सनी लियोने का चार्म, सनी लियोने का करिश्मा जो है वो हमारी टीम पर भी फैले, and we win the game.
I hope.
Yeah, you hope and even I hope.
और कितनी प्रैक्टिस हमें आप लोग करते हुए दिखने वाला है? इसमें सनी लियोनी भी होगी, हमने देखा
जी कोशिश तो सनी लियोने खेल नहीं रही है तो डेफिनेटली हमारे साथ प्रैक्टिस सेशंस में नहीं आती, बट हम प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश करते हैं. इमीडिएटली एज सून एज द शूट इज डन वी जस्ट रन टू आवर प्रैक्टिसेस एंड वी मूव ऑन. या सो कोशिश पूरी है कि जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतनी प्रैक्टिस हो. एंड यस,
टैगलाइन है आपके टीम की कुछ?
टैगलाइन चेन्नई स्वैगर्स इज इट्स या चेन्नई स्वैगर्स का आई थिंक हम हर जितने भी प्लेयर्स हैं अपना सबका खुद का एक स्वैग है. सो साडा स्वैग और मेरा स्वैग, हर किसी का अपना अलग अलग स्वैग है. जिस तरह से माई क्रेजीनेस, मेरा पागलपन इज माई स्वैग, और पूरी टीम का अगर आप एक टैगलाइन माने तो इट्स कॉल्ड माइंड इट. Enna pola rascala, do not even try and come close to us. We will put the fire in the behind your bum. Thank you very, very much. Ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Let's go play some.
करेक्ट यस बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. टीम का कैप्टन हूँ और बहुत सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज़ हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को मोटिवेट करना पड़ता है. टीम इज़ लाइक अ फैमिली और मुझे सबसे अच्छा लग रहा है कि सनी लियोनी हमारी टीम की ओनर हैं. आई थिंक शी इज़ अ बिग डिस्ट्रैक्शन फॉर ऑल द अदर टीम्स, सो वी आर हैप्पी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इट. या सी एक्साइटमेंट तो जाहिर सी बात है, आपने खुद ही सब तो सनी लियोनी जी की तरफ भागते हैं तो एक्साइटमेंट तो सबको नजर आ ही गया होगा कितना बड़ा है. और टीम के प्लेयर्स बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड हैं, बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं कि शी इज़ पार्ट ऑफ द टीम, शी इज़ अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ द टीम एज वेल. तो हमें उम्मीद है कि हम ये टूर्नामेंट जीतेंगे.
क्या मतलब तैयारी करनी पड़ रही है टीम को?
सी कैप्टन की जो सोच और जो समझ होती है वो 2 कदम आगे होती है. तो जब मैच चल रहा होता है तो आपका दिमाग 2 कदम आगे चल रहा होता है. इट्स लाइक अ चेस. आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन कहाँ सेट बैठ रहा है, कौन अच्छा बॉल डाल रहा है, कौन नहीं डाल रहा है, दूसरे ओवर के बाद कौन डालेगा, छठे ओवर के बाद कौन डालेगा. सो आई थिंक बहुत सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज होती हैं, बट आई एम ग्लैड कि दिमाग शांत है, कंट्रोल में है और हम ये टूर्नामेंट जीतेंगे.
सबसे टफ किस टीम को आप कंपटीशन मानते हैं?
सी इस समय आई वुड से दिल्ली इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम बिकॉज पिछले साल के चैंपियंस रहे हैं वो. उनकी टीम भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. हमारा पहला मैच भी उनके साथ है, तो हम होप कर रहे हैं कि आप लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत ही फाइटिंग मैच देखने को मिले.
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. थैंक यू.